Please, everyone, listen carefully what I'm saying. And as per our instructions, directors are instructions and syllabus pattern, we completed the syllabus now. Am I right?
Sir.
Is there anything is pending?
No, sir, we
No,
finished.
sir. No, sir. Physics is finished, sir.
Yes, physics is completed. As I know, physics syllabus is completed. Actually, that 70% syllabus only is there, 30% syllabus removed from the science. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I think you people know very well about that. May I know whether anyone having that concepts, which concepts was removed? Whether anyone having that, which are the topics were removed? Please respond, sir. Please
No,
respond.
no, sir. No, sir.
Maybe you people don't have. Okay, I'll share in the science group today. Now. Okay, no need of that. Worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here the thing is that here the thing is that actually, as I got information from teachers or some schools are teaching only the concepts which are present, which are there in the syllabus now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In some schools it is happened. Even in our school also some subjects maybe happened. As I got information, that is the thing. But Rishikesh, am I right?
Yes, sir.
But here in the physics, I didn't skip any concept. Why? Because remember carefully. With this, your education is not at all completed. You have to study many concepts also in further. If you skip here the basic concept, further, you can't understand that concept. Yes. Who is it, Nana? Someone sent this. Yes.
Vinay, sir.
Papi.
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Okay. Okay,
Listen.
Nana.
Prithvi Sense.
Prithvi sen. Okay. Natural phenomena, world of living, magnetic effect. Okay. Okay. Portion theory, science. Okay. Control and coordination is there. The human and
Sir,
colorful world.
some subtopics are removed, sir. Some subtopics
Yes,
are.
sir. Subtopics are there. Na. Electric generator, direct. Okay, direct current alter AC and DC frequency advantage away. Domestic electric circuit. Sources of energy, different forms of energy, conservation and non-conservation. Okay. No issue, Nana. These are okay. Please here. Listen here, Nana. Leave them, sir. Leave them. What are the concepts are removed? Don't keep in your mind. Prepare all the concepts. Okay. Why? Because motor, if you know, generator is this. Am I right? And listen carefully. AC current and DC current. You know what is meant by AC current, what is meant by DC current. And here, some applications are there, sir. Means lessons are not removed. From them, small topics are removed now. If they remove lessons, then would have been think about them or that concept. But small concepts, no issue, none. Nothing will happen if you study. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes or hardly 1 hour sir, to complete whatever the concepts are removed. Okay, you if you want to learn, hardly it will take 1 hour time now. Okay, induced current concept, if you know, you can understand the generator concept. Nana. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please respond, sir.
Yes,
Respond, I
sir.
said.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is there? Okay, means nothing is there. Nana in plus two, as well as in further classes, you people has to know that. That's why learn all the concepts. Nothing will be there. No issue about that. And as I got information, maybe on Friday, I think Friday or Saturday, we people having Saturday, sorry, we people having a meeting with our director, sir. that is Satish Reddy sir. In that meeting, they concluded, means they gave some suggestions and something related to your 10th. Very shortly, again, one more meeting people has to attend. Okay, during that time, they said that in this examination, okay, listen carefully, Nana, what the thing will be there means. Okay, this time also, how we conducted like phase examination, phase syllabus, revision syllabus, like that, everything will be there. Everything will be there. Everything will be as
Okay,
usual
sir.
for you also. And one more thing, already CBSE collected the fees for this year. And one more thing, CBSE is registering next 10th, like ninth class only have to register. Like that, even ninth class students registration also completed. Nana. Means there is no chance of like a skipping of examination, sir. As directors are got information, some teachers are misguiding the students. Maybe exams will be there or will not be there in this pandemic situation, like that they are saying. But it is not right. At any cost, they are going to conduct an examination, board examination. Whatever the precautions they want to take, they will take and they'll conduct the exam. No issue about that. Okay. Are you clear, Nana? Next thing. Second thing is that, okay, in this PA2 examination, it will be like a pre-final for you, Nana. It is like a pre-final for you. Remember carefully. Why? Because whatever the 70% syllabus is there, means 30% removed, 70% is there, na? From that 70% of syllabus will be there. Okay, will be inculcated in your PA2 examination. Are you clear, Nana? What I told? What Shivarama Dhanush? Whether you understood what I told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What Ragi? అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Karan, Sarvesh, and Subhash, Atili, Dhonish, Mr. Great Bitiri. Okay, whether you understood what I told? అర్థమవుతుందానా మీకు? ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్ డౌట్ ఉంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా అడగండి. ఓకే, that's why what is the total syllabus will be there for your examination, but how they'll conduct the examination? Complete online examination only, like a previous examination. This time there will be no descriptive examination. Total multiple choice questions only. But here multiple choice will be different way now. Like one theory concept in English, summary type of thing will be there from the down. They'll ask some questions. Okay, will be there. Passage, like
Unseen passages.
like that. Many things they'll ask, Nana. Many things they'll ask. That's why the concepts you have to be perfect, Nana. Not the question. It means question and answers only they'll ask in the manner
Sir,
of.
so much disturbance, sir.
Sir, so much disturbance coming.
I think now it will not be there, Nana. Okay, please listen here. Like that, many things they'll ask. When you will answer, when you can answer that questions means when you are perfect with the concept. Okay, because of that reason, please. Now am also getting a lot of disturbance from someone. Who is that? Rishikesh, huh?
Mangal.
Okay, please listen here, Nana. For that, what you have to do, sir, means please concept by concept prepare textbook, Nana. Don't by heart now question and answers. Now I am saying, sir. Okay, please. And one more thing, sir. One more very very important thing. Okay, if you people are feeling, sir, 10th class, how I have to prepare, whether I will pass or not, such people also, lot of time is there, man. Lot of time, lot of scope is also there. Okay, now at least from now onwards, prepare seriously, concept by concept, concept by concept. You will get. But today I'm preparing one concept. Today, tomorrow again I'm forgetting that concept. If the situation is like that, I can't do anything. That's why what you have to do means, please, if you are preparing one concept today, immediately tomorrow, yesterday's concept and today's concept, like two concepts prepare now. Okay, then it will be easy for you for the scoring the marks now. Okay, are you clear what I told? Okay, getting passed in the 10th,
Yes, sir.
getting passed in the CBSE examinations, especially in 10th class, especially in science, sir. I'm not saying about other subjects. In science, it is not a big problem. It is not a big issue also. Okay, if you have small, okay, little bit brain, if you use that, okay,
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Taking, sir.
Breaking, sir. Why?
Audio is breaking, sir.
easily without it. If you don't have the brain, I can't do anything. That's why just from now onwards at least. Okay, the people who are feeling that, sir, how I have to pass board examination, first time I'm doing, such people, at least from now onwards, how what the teachers are
Sir,
doing
may
Sir
I
from
said,
something?
April, as a thing. Okay, I hope everyone is clear about that. Okay, live about all the things, Nana. What we have to be means, whenever they are ready to conduct examination, we should be ready to write the examination like that. It should. If they are said tomorrow onwards we are going to conduct examination. Yes, we are ready to write like that. It should be. Okay, for that, what we have to do? What we have to do? What is there in our hand? Try to think about that. Okay, what is there in our hand means ultimately one thing is there in our hand. What that means? Preparation, proper preparation. Okay, so far how much you studied, how much you listened, that is secondary thing. Second thing, live about all that. Now, how much effectively you are going to do the revision, that is the more impactable thing. That impact a lot on you people, on your marks. And one more thing, sir, please, most of the students in this batch, your presentation skills are very worst, Nana, very worst. Please try to improve on it. Try to focus on them. Try to focus on them. How we have to do means, please, different articles or different previous papers. Okay, different solutions. Okay, try to search in the website, sir. Okay, in the net internet. Why? Because different papers, if you said, if they are asking a question, how they are answering, how they are responding, okay, you are going to get it, you are going to observe them. Okay, అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఇట్లా ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలా, ఇది ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెసన్ వైజ్ రివిజన్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్, ఐ డిస్కస్ లెసన్ టు లెసన్, ఫ్రమ్ దట్ లెసన్ which type of questions they are going to ask, how to answer, that also I'm going to explain, no need to worry. But you have to improve first your presentation skill, Nana. Presentation. And one more very, very, very important thing, Nana. What I observed is many students handwriting is worst, Nana. దానికైతే నేను ఏం చేయలేను నాన్న. మీరు ఎంత మంచిగా రాసినా కూడా మార్క్స్ రావు, గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ వర్స్ట్ ఉంటుంది. మిస్టర్ మరికంటి, నువ్వు పాస్ కావాలంటే నీ హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ మారాలి,
Okay, sir.
లేదంటే పాస్ కావు. నేను ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ నీకు చెప్పినట్టుంది, నువ్వు హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ ఇంప్రూవ్
అవును
చేసుకో.
సార్.
హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ ఓకే, దాని గురించి కొంచెం కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయి. డైలీ ఒక 2 పేజీలో 3 పేజీలో 4 రూల్లో 2 డబల్ రూల్లో నోట్బుక్ తీసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చెయ్యి ఇప్పటి నుండి అయినా. ఓకే, పాస్ అవుతావు. అది
Okay,
కూడా
sir.
ఎట్లా బార్డర్ మార్క్స్ తో, లేదంటే మాత్రం
Okay.
గోవింద కాళ్ళు ఎక్కుతావు. ఓకే, కొంచెం
Okay.
సీరియస్ గా చదువు, సీరియస్ గా తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఓకే నాన్న, ఫైన్. దెన్ హియర్ మై క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వన్ థింగ్ నాన్న, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. ఓకే, సిలబస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అని చేతులు గుద్దుకుంటే సపోర్ట్లు కొడితే కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేద్దాం, ఎందుకంటే బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ప్రీషియస్ టైం. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు PA to, even PA to, just now I told na, it is like a semi-final now for you. Pre-final, it is one type of pre-final. Why? Because total syllabus is there. But whereas in the final examination, you people are going to write the script as well as multiple choice. But here you are going to write only multiple choice. But total syllabus. remember carefully that also. Okay. For that, very very important thing, what we have to do, tell me Nana, ఏం చేద్దాం ఎట్లా చేద్దాం? Can you give ideas one by one, please?
Sir, daily you give some questions, sir. We will learn and write and send you, sir.
Okay, Nana.
Sir, we discuss
For
some
PA
topics
to-
for day to day, sir.
Sir, one more thing.
Sir, seminar,
PA
sir,
to
seminar.
examination, one seminar. Okay, Nana. PA to examination, complete multiple choice questions are there, Nana. Multiple choice based questions are there. That's
Sir,
why,
we are
listen carefully, Nana. There will be no use of asking questions now, Nana. We'll do one thing, Nana. What I planned is, ఈ రోజు ఇప్పుడు నుండి మీకు టైం ఇస్తాను. 1 minute అన్న, 1 minute. వాట్ ఐ ప్లాన్డ్, ఓకే, 1 minute. ఇంకా ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్కరు ఐడియా ఒకలాగా ఉంటుంది. నేను ఒక ఐడియాకి వచ్చినాను, ఆ ఐడియా మీకు చెప్తాను, ఆలోచన చేయండి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఐ ప్లాన్డ్ ఇస్, టుడే ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ లెసన్ ఐ గివ్ Nana for you, or half of the lesson I'll give some topics. From the topics you have to okay, you have to learn in the class. Okay, whenever the class is going on, everyone video should answer, and you have to write some synopsis as well as some multiple choice as well as filling in the blanks type of questions. You have to prepare yourself, and everyone has to post them in the group, Nana. Everyone has to post in that group. Okay, from that during the class hours, okay, daily few topics you have to do now. During the class hours, I will pick any two students. Okay, that students will ask each other, Nana, like that it will. Are you okay?
sir, the
Okay. We'll think, Nana. Okay. Other than this, if anything is good, then we'll follow that also. No issue. Okay. For this
Yeah,
time,
Max Dad is
try
doing
to
one
follow this.
process, sir.
sir,
Okay.
like
What sir is doing, Nana? He is giving questions prior only, and he is asking to solve them. Okay, am I right? During class hours.
Sir, from CBSE, sir, website is giving some MCQ questions, sir. We need to
Sir,
solve
from
it and
website.
post the answers, sir.
Okay. Okay. But by that you can't read the textbook, Nana. My intention is you have to read the textbook. You have to read and you have to prepare. That's it. Okay, mathematics means different scenario, different condition. But science, physics means different scenario, Nana. Maths concept, if you know, you can solve anything. But science, without knowing the concept, if direct question comes, then only you can answer. If I give like that, if that question, if they ask it in twisted manner, in different manner, you can't answer. చూడండి నాన్న, మ్యాథ్స్ లో ఒక థీమ్ ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1+2 అంటే A+1 కూలు. ఇఫ్ అట్లా అడిగితేనే ఆన్సర్ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేదు డిఫరెంట్ గా. స్టిల్ హౌ మచ్ టైం ఇస్ దే?
18 to 17 minutes is this.
Yes, sir.
17 minutes, sir.
17 minutes.
Sir, round figure we can take 15 minutes, so 15 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Tomorrow,
Okay.
which concept we have to study, sir?
Now electricity lesson. Okay, concepts till okay, resistors, Ohm's law, complete, even Ohm's law also. Till that concept prepare and okay, చదవండి. అండ్ ఏం చేయండి అంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఈరోజు స్టడీ అవర్స్ కూడా మన దగ్గర గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఈవినింగ్ స్టడీ అవర్స్ కూడా నేను వస్తాను. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ ఏం చేయండి అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మీరు నెక్స్ట్, ఇప్పుడు అందరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసి చదవండి. చదివి ప్రతి కాన్సెప్ట్ నుండి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నుండి, క్లాస్ కంటే ముందే మీరు నోట్స్ తయారు చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. కాన్సెప్ట్స్ క్లాస్ లో చదవండి అంటే మీరు చదవరు, నాకు తెలుసు, టైం పాస్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు అందరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వీడియో ఆన్ చేసి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఓమ్స్ లా వరకు చదివి, ఓకే, నాకు ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ ఆ ఓమ్స్ లా వరకు మినిమం ఒక 10 MCQs తయారు చేయాలి. MCQs ఆర్ ఫిల్లింగ్ ద బ్లాంక్స్, ఏదైనా మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్.
రెండిట్లో ఏదో పడితే రెండు
Sir, total 10, sir. Sir,
Huh?
total 10 are, sir, total 10 are from every concept 10, sir.
ఎవ్రీ కాన్సెప్ట్ 10 అన్న. టోటల్ 10 అంటే పెద్ద ఇష్యూ కాదు చేయడం. ఓకే, సరే సార్.
MCQ కన్నా fill in the blanks కానీ రెండు చేయాలి.
5 fill in the blanks చేయండి, 5 MCQs చేయండి అన్న. till Ohm's law. Till Ohm's law. Ohm's law has to Ohm's law also has to complete అన్న. ఓకే
అంటే ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ చదువుకొని అది రాసి పంపించాలి
గ్రూప్ లో పంపకండి అన్న. దాన్ని ఏం చేద్దాం అనేది ఈరోజు స్టడీ అవర్స్ లో ఎగ్జామ్ పెడదామా ఏంటనేది చూద్దాం. ఈరోజు పెడితే ఎస్టీ పెడతాను.
Sir, now we need to write. Sir, now we need to write synapses or MCQs, sir.
MCQs రాయండి అన్న. MCQs or fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks, 5 MCQs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Make it fast. Tell me, Nana.
రాసి అట్లనే పెట్టుకోవాలి పంపించాలి సార్.
రాసి మీ దగ్గరనే పెట్టుకుంటారా? స్టడీ అవర్స్ లో చూద్దాము. ఈరోజు స్టడీ అవర్స్ ఉందిగా.
సరే సార్, ఓకే.
కానీ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. డిస్కషన్స్ ఆపండి, స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. వాట్ సంబిత్ బాజు బంద్. వేర్ ఆర్ యూ సార్? సంబిత్ not there. What Jayvant, your friend Sambit is not attending for the sessions. Why?
Sir, he is in Odisha, it seems, sir.
ఎందుకు? ఎలక్షన్ ప్రచారం పోయిందా?
Don't know, sir. He said he is going to.
Okay, now let's you people prepare. Can you? Please on the video, everyone, Nana. What Kaushik Reddy? What I have to repeat, please, man. You said you kept a message. Please repeat, sir. What I have to repeat? Please, Kaushik Reddy, respond, Nana. What I have to repeat? Everyone. Ragi, చదువుతున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. కాన్సెప్ట్ బై కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ కావాలన్నా. చూడు ధోనీష్, పోయినసారి పడపల్లా చేయకండి. లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ లో అనవసరంగా రిస్క్ పడకండి. ఇప్పటి నుండే కాన్సెప్ట్ బై కాన్సెప్ట్ చదవండి. ఓకే, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్కే కాదు, ఇంకా డిఫరెంట్ సంబంధించి ఎప్పుడప్పుడు రిఫర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ సార్. సార్ నాకు బుక్కే చదవనీకి చేతనైతే అన్నాడు, బుక్ మాత్రం. మిగతా వాళ్ళు మాత్రం బుక్ కంప్లీట్, కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా నెట్ లో డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి దానికి రిలేటెడ్ గా. ఇంకొకటి ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ నుండి ఎట్లా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాడు అనేది కూడా ఉంటది. రెఫర్ చెయ్యండి. ఓకే, పోయినసారి వేస్ట్ ఫెలోస్ లాగా చేయకండి. ఓవర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఏముంది సార్, గిదే కదా సార్ అని లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ రిజల్ట్ చూసింది. అట్లాంటి పరిస్థితి చేయకండి. కొంచెం సీరియస్ గా చదవండి. ఇంకొకటి ప్రజెంటేషన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కనుక ప్రజెంటేషన్ స్కిల్స్ పైన చాలా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ అండ్ ప్రజెంటేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. నేను ఫస్ట్ నుండే చెప్తున్నాను, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. వాట్ జయవంత్ రెడ్డి ప్రిపేరింగ్? But Sarvesh Jawar still sleeping, I think. ఇప్పటి నుండి అయినా చదువు, పాస్ అవుతావు. సరేనా? అయ్యా మేడం సూర్య, చదువునా కొంచెం సీరియస్ గా చదువు. ఇప్పటి నుండి డైలీ చదువు, ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్. స్కోర్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. అరవిని, ప్రసాద్ సీరియస్ గా చదవాలా. ఎస్ కార్తిక్, ఓకే చదువు నాన్న. ఎస్ కార్తిక్ చదువుతావా? మీ అన్నలాగా స్కూల్లోనేమో జిగేలు అంటాడు, బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పోయినాక మార్క్స్ ఏమో తక్కువ వచ్చినాయి. అట్లా చేసుకోకు.
ఓకే సార్.
మిస్టర్ సిహెచ్ శివమణి, సిహెచ్ శివమణి, ఒగ్గు మణిదీప్, అరే మణిదీప్ మీ అన్నని అడుగురా, కొద్దిసేపు అడిగి చదువుకోరా. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కూడా, ఎప్పుడైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఇమీడియట్ కాల్ చేయండి అన్న, అడగండి, టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోకండి. ఓకే చదవండి ప్రిపేర్. Any doubts?